bitch. He's a liar. Cause you come out, come tell them say, Zozo, I give Brit drugs. A long time Brit we not take her drugs or ecstasy and whatever you. I beat them a sell pussy a long time with dance go and we take them things to get high. Me not discern no way, but that's the truth. Brit them a girl will take them pill and them ecstasy and them blub whatever to get high because they are exotic dancer. Appear like your tail. I know Queen who tax, but Queen did that for tax. I told you guys, listen. And that's why when the fake page them come and type them fuckery, I listen. Listen. I listen to my code. What have at least 4,000 people listen to me and listen to my code. You see, if Queenie did have a house, a paying job. If Queenie did live somewhere, having a paying job, Queenie wouldn't left. America got catch with share Belgium in the government house. Why would I leave my paying job to go and catch with somebody? My work not go want me. Vacation for me have my work. Vacation for me will only be one week or 2 weeks. 2 weeks the least. Our people now will come at our people now what to call 1 month vacation, 2 month vacation, 3 month vacation. 1 week, 2 weeks the least. Alright, you can only spend 2 weeks here. Right, you work at home and work, you can only spend 2 weeks here. I forgot back and me have to him work. And when I leave, I forgot pay him rent. You never live nowhere. You never live nowhere, Queenie. That's why I was hard for me, because I just beat you with the truth. Queenie, you never live nowhere, auntie. You never live nowhere, auntie. You was a catcher in America. Or you live somewhere, I'm taking for you a long time. Where you live it now, work off it, that's why you walk and owe. You work few little times, yes, but you walk and owe. So you use a credit. You use a credit, you owe. Until you now, but that page just disappear, vanish. Now you know what I'm going to keep now? You know what I'm going to keep now for sure? It's the government also should depend up that area. So Queen, a year turn now, for go look at another government house with your name, because you are sick asylum, because you can't go back to America. You can say what you want. I'm not working out. I'm not gonna leave you. There's no way I will. Queen, you can't go back to America. When Queen you go home next week, that's the first lie I tell on social media. When Queen you go home next week, next month, tomorrow, the next, I know she can't move. Queen they have foot almost a year now. Next month to July, I'm gonna make 1 year now. Queen they have foot. I'm counting she not going nowhere. 1 year I catch her your blood clot foot. She not gonna away. She has seat the asylum and then use fear name to cut her neck also and can latch pan the government can not improve. We not gonna away. I don't know come on internet and go on like somebody. Cause me you use the word when me use what you know. Me come for you go on like me things. Me no come for you go on like my things. When my Wi-Fi bill want me beg her access. If me want one drive, me beg my followers them for the trials. I never come tell all along when I talk about us. Me did done come tell all of my people them from they get all of my day one watch of them. Me did done talk somebody live now we already. So that's why I still have my supporting thing because them know from the get all. When me need to walk and tell life it is what it is. Because me about it up on social media for your next for your girl who see me in my scheme or come say, she gonna tell someone no. You can't ball on about me, we ball it up and make everybody blood cut no. Come me not care. Me a Gemini. When our business upon the light post, me not a secret. Me fuck out a ear. And when me ready, me use ear. No secret me have. Can you say me further what you say now? No man no want me. But yet still me catches the elbow. Make it make sense. Thinking wallpaper Queenie. You know sit down in the house like figurine a blood clots. Queenie you can't find a night. You know. He's a catcher, he's a leech. No leeches girl on social media can't say me all mule. I grudge me come give birth and can give jacket and you can't. Big woman like you coming no queen in your 30s where you're a pitney there. Wallpaper. One don't even have bedhead. She go buy a next $5 stick over she and tell me you. Tell me or tell me you. I bring money by the gold silver she in now. But she will go one part of there, I bring money by the boots and do the surgery. Because I know she get more than 2,000. Nyambele Queenie. Queenie walk on nyam. Well, I wouldn't say nyambele. When you're a mule, you can't breed. But yeah, come board. And the people on the internet won't know who is Chantal father, GX. GX. No DNA. Chantal. And 99.9999999999999. What am I baby? What am I good baby? What do your blood clot come here start to saggle my young sister we have baby in her young age? And she not gonna be the first to breed in a teenage pregnancy. And you gotta ride or die if you have blood clot in it. And who no breed of age and give it away? The one we are catch up here called life goes. And we are fight life as it come who pitting them now hungry. Cause him can't understand one feed now pampas and me 30 foot Rosealee in a bite. Him can't in there one and me 30 foot Rosealee go say followers come here look one $200 for my nephew. Pampas and I'm in a have it. Uno shame of the product we wanna bring, so I don't want to saggle girl. My sister breed at age of 16 and scare her baby a ball of share. Why you're one down and not breed on that age? Who not breed on that age? And I want to walk and bite, lick, chew, chang, the whole of the week. Uno bite, uno walk and bite and lick and chew and chang, chew. But uno suck no ban. Can you suck who no suck pussy on the batty man piece of shit pa uno. She breed young and she carry her pitney and she fight for her pitney. I'ma tell her